Okay, you are given a 3 by 3 matrix, this matrix A, and you are told to find the determinant. Normally, if you are given a 2 by 2 matrix, let's pick an example 3, 1, 2, 2. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. If you're given this to find the determinant, this is very straightforward. All you need to do is you multiply this by this, then you minus the multiplication of this by this. That is 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1 multiplied by 2. So whatever you solve for that, whatever you get is your determinant for a 2 by 2 matrix. But in a 3 by 3 matrix, the procedure is different. Now, all you need to do is you first pick this out. When you pick that out, you have your 7 minus 4, 2. Then there's a principle guiding this. This is plus, this is minus, and this is plus. So after picking this out, then you go for the arrangement like this. First of all, we take this as our scalar value, that is 7. Then every element under the 7, you ignore it. You go for the element here, you ignore this. So 7 as a scalar value for 1, minus 5, 1, minus 5, 2, minus 5. Then the next sign there, like I said, is your minus sign. Minus sign. Here you have minus 4. So minus 4 as the scalar value again. Now you leave the element under the 4, under the minus 4. You pick the other elements to form a 2 by 2. So 3 minus 5, 2 minus 5. Then what's the next sign? The next sign is plus. The next sign being plus, and the element under it is 2. 2. Now you leave the element under the 2. You form your 2 by 2 matrix under the remaining element. That is, you have your 3, 1, 2, 2. So I want to establish something like this. Then we go ahead and solve each. Now 7. So this multiplied by this, we have 1. I'm using this dot to represent my multiplication sign so that the whole thing will be well arranged. Minus 5. So since this is just for this, I'll cover everything with a bigger bracket. Then this minus sign times this minus times this. Okay, let's just do it this way. Minus, this is minus. Keep bringing down my minus 4. Minus 4. Then open bracket. 3 multiplied by minus 5. Minus 5 multiplied by 2. So since this is just for this alone, I'll cover this up with a bigger bracket. Then plus, this plus 2, bracket, 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1. So since this is just for this alone, put this up with a bigger bracket. Now solving for that, we still have our 7 into open bracket of 1 times minus 5. 1 times minus 5. That is minus 5. So here we have this to be minus 5. Then minus 5 times 2. Minus 5 times 2. That is minus 10. Multiplied by this minus, it becomes 10. So this becomes 10. So minus 5 plus 10 will give us 5. So the whole of this gives us this. Then the next thing here is this. Minus times minus 4. This becomes plus. Then our sign here becomes plus 4. Opening up this, plus 4 into. This is 3 times minus 5. 3 times minus 5 will give us minus 15. Minus times this. 5 times 2 will give us 10. This minus will make it plus 10. So here we have plus 10 and we get minus 5. Minus 15 plus 10, we have minus 5. Then coming to this place, okay, sorry, we have minus 5. Then coming here to solve this, this is already plus 2. So the sign here is plus 2, this 2. Then this is 3 times 2, this is 6. minus 2 times 1. This is 2. So 6 minus 2. Here we have 4. So from here, 7 times 5 should be 35 plus 4 times minus 5 will give us minus 20. So this sign becomes minus 20. Then the next thing is we have plus. This time is we have 8. That will be plus 8. So we have 15 plus 8, 23.